There it is. Heli Gazelle Member number 3. Yassin. Coming in with the 342M. This is unique to the Gazelle. Highly desired model because it has a higher output engine. It's limited to the shaft at 800. It's a couple hundred more horsepower than the other Gazelles, 341s. Very smooth flying, plenty of power. Got the Garmin system inside. There's your autopilot on. There's your autopilot system itself. That's it. Get this bad boy fired up and we'll be on our way. All right, here we go. It's a 342M. We're gonna run you through the startup procedure right now. So we got a checklist. First thing, blade, overhead, rotor brake locked. Boom. Throttle all the way back. Fuel shut off. Check with wire holding it. All right, now we got the turn battery on. Fuel level's good. Test upper warning lights. Lights are good. Test lower warning lights. Lights are good. Okay, cyclic friction off. We're gonna check the movement. Make sure you got full movement. Good. Cyclic friction back on. Clockwise on, counterclockwise off. Collective friction off. Check full movement, full range, all the way. Make sure no binding, everything's good. And go back and lock that down. Okay. Now, got the collective friction. Pitot on. F mag, that's your magnetic brake. M is on. Hydraulics in the normal position, down. F position lights, CLI, up. Anti-collision lights, normal, up position. Okay, all remaining switches are off. All right, here we go. Start. Blade forward, rotor brake is on. Battery on, alternator, generator. Pump, and go for about 20 seconds. If this was at about 100 or 200, we want to go down and vent it. It's nice and cold right now, so we're gonna be able to go straight up into March. And we're just gonna be watching that T4. It'll go up in the yellow. As long as it doesn't exceed the yellow, we're good. And here we go, we'll be watching RPM. About 25,500. Coming down. Alright. Temperatures are good. Good, now we'll get the blades going. Engage rotor. Rotor brake's coming off. Got mag brake on. Friction locks are on. Throttle's going to slightly come forward. Take this to 30,000 RPM. Right about there. Blade starts moving. And we want to get the blade RPM within about 20 to 40 seconds to match up with the turbine RPM. Once it matches up, then we can start advancing it. give it a little bit more. We're gated. Alright, good. The cyclic frictions will come off, break them off, and then we're good to fly. Just fueled up in Big Bear. This is the last fuel stop. We'll be taking off from here. Quick 45-minute flight and we'll be home. 3 days from Grange, Texas up to Dallas, into New Mexico, then Arizona, and now we're making it home to SoCal. This cross country has been absolutely amazing. I've learned so much more, gained so much more confidence, you know, navigating the weather in Texas and really being on point and watching that weather, planning your cross country and paying attention. And sometimes you got to maneuver around. Sometimes it changed up on us, so we had a detour and stuff like that. But learning how to do it, learning how to be confident, learning the decision making of like, hey man, there's a couple no-goes. I would say, hey, that's it, man, let's call it a day and just land and we'll wait till tomorrow. So that was awesome. Navigating around clouds, mountainous terrain, the comms, working on all the different comms and all these different airports, learning how to get in and how to get out, the different taxiways, the FBOs, learning that a lot of these FBOs at the smaller airport are closed, and so if you arrive at night, then you're going to be sitting around waiting in a town that has no Ubers and stuff. So we learned how that works. I'll definitely plan that better next time. Helicopter performed absolutely amazing. You know, the extra power, we're cruising 140, 150 knots on the way here. Handles everything great. It has an autopilot, and I'll tell you, on some of these longer stints, it absolutely was helpful and awesome. So my butt endurance got about 2 hours on it, so that autopilot helped with that. And all in all, man, performed amazing. Absolutely loved it. And that's it. Amazing trip. Learned so much, gained a ton of confidence, and this bird, the gazelles in general, I just can't talk enough about them. I absolutely love them. So that's it, man. This bird is coming home in 45 minutes to its new proud owner, Yassin, Heli Gazelle Member number 3. He'll be waiting there at the airport. He's been waiting a few days to set his eyes on this. He hasn't even seen it yet. Just sent him some videos, and he was good to go. Sent that wire payment, and it's his. So excited, man. Super stoked. And that concludes it. Another cross country from Texas and back. Same place I got mine, same town nearly, same cross country flight. So learning how to do these Texas to California trips pretty good. See you guys on the next video. That's a wrap!